Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLE 400 4MATIC. This one's an iridium silver metallic. Underneath hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo with 329 horsepower and 354 pounds of torque. This one comes with illuminated star in the grille, 19-inch 5-spoke wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, black MB text interior with an anthracite poplar trim, ambient lighting, panoramic sunroof, GLE 400, 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, trailer hitch, premium 2 package with rear shades, blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel, illuminated door sill, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors, navigation, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE has 33,941 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this certified pre-owned 2019 GLE 400 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.